Testing. Give me 1 second, y'all. 1 second. Let me make sure my stream not private. Testing. Alright, we good. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Keith back with another live trading stock/futures. Give me 1 second because we kind of missing the trade. But it's okay. Let's go to the other account. We're gonna go to the bigger account as of right now. Okay. Cause I kind of want to get in here. I wish it gave us a better entry though. Let me go look at SPY real quick. It barely got a bottom wick. That's the only thing. That's the only thing that kind of made me hesitate a little bit on jumping in here. It barely has this bottom wick. Not sure if it's trying to hold it. Might just wait and get our stuff set it up. But what's up, YouTube? It's back. Oh, my bad. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Keith's back with another live trading stock/futures live stream. Today is Monday, August 17th, 2026. Y'all know what we gotta do before we jump into the charts though. Let's go ahead and get our prayer in, because we almost jumped in the chart a trade, but we know we gotta get our prayer in. So bow your head. The Lord, we come to you today just saying thank you once again, Lord, for another amazing day, another amazing week that you allowed us to see. The Lord, I want to just thank you for all things you continue to do in our lives, Lord. All the knowledge, the wisdom, the blessings, the care, the mercy, the grace, all that you provide for us, Lord. We just want to say thank you for that. Thank you for allowing us to be able to enter another week when it comes to trading, Lord. I want to thank you for last week, for the successes we had, the failures we had, the moments that we were able to grow and learn from. Lord, as that we come into this week as new and more improved individuals, Lord, that we come and try to improve on the mistakes that we may have previously and the success that we had, that we continue to take full advantage and take note of what we done right in the moments. No matter if we win, lose, or draw today, tomorrow, this week, this month, or whatever, Lord, as that we be grateful for the opportunity and we continue to grow. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. All right. See, look, good thing we didn't jump in. Came all the way back down. Yeah, what's up, man? What's up, YouTube? What's up, G.F.T family? Like I was saying, market, we kind of want to get in these longs, but I ain't even got my stuff set up. I gotta open the copy trader and everything. Let me see. Haven't even got my copy trader up or nothing. I did get on late today, but it wasn't that I got to the computer late. I was just editing my OBS settings to try to make the live stream not lag as much. So that's literally the only reason. That's literally the only reason. Dang, when they start saying I can't open up, it's my maximum sessions. Because I got to open up Trading View. When they start not letting you open Trader View when you got it on Trading View. It's kind of crazy. Let's see. So we got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. We'll try this down to 4. Alright. Alright, I got my copy trader set up. Now, like I was saying, we were looking for potential longs, but when I looked at SPY, I was like, it didn't have enough of a bottom wick on that daily. So that's why we didn't take the longs. But look, now it should have enough bottom wick. So once it starts turning bullish, we should be okay. Yeah, it got plenty enough bottom wick now. Should be okay taking longs once it turns bullish. Look at QQQ. Same thing. Yeah. So as soon as we start putting bullets, I like the longs. For MQ, only thing I'm a little upset about is we already hit target last night. So we already hit my target, which was 30,287. We already took it out. As y'all can see, that was our target level. So now it's kind of like, hey, we want to see, do we hold above target level? That's the biggest thing. Can we hold above target level now? That's literally all we're looking for. But I like longs. I just want to get it off a green counter though. I do like longs. Let me turn all this. I got all my notifications loud. I do like longs. It's just where the longs gonna be at. That's the question. I'm thinking it's supposed to be right here though. But I kind of want to wait until this 5-minute turn green. We don't have any news or nothing to worry about. So we should be good to go when it comes to that. Really gonna go one contract. One contract just to play a little safe. Let's look at the hourly. Hourly, neutral. It did break this part of the uptrend. So we just gonna wait. We're gonna wait to give us a long opportunity. We don't need this no more. It might come sweep these lows first. That's what I'm thinking. It's probably gonna sweep these lows, then try to go. Cause that 15-minute bearish, we closed red here. So we should be making a lower low. Yeah, we did. We made the lower low. Now it's just, do we close below that lower low is the question. I mean, close below the previous low. Or do we? If we close below the previous low, then there's no telling where it's trying to go down to. And we just can't do nothing about it. So if we don't literally start bouncing here, we just gonna have to really wait. There's no telling where it might go if we don't start bouncing here. Dang, I'm so glad we didn't just jump in them longs. Cause like I was like, man, we don't really got no bottom wick on the daily, so I didn't want to take no long. Even though it had presented an uptrend, like I didn't want to take the long unless we close past this high. I was gonna get in then, but of course, I'm glad that we end up doing our prayer saved us from a bad trade. So we probably would have tried to jump in it because y'all seen I switched to my bigger account. I was gonna try to jump in with one coin because it tried to take it back up right up to that target level, but sorry about that, y'all. But they when we prayed, it ended up coming back down. So let me put the music on. Hey, my bad, y'all. My bad. I forgot about the music. And then I'm finna go check out our stream. I'm finna put it up on my phone, see if it's playing pretty decent. Cause like I said, I put these new settings on, so hopefully let me straighten it out. Hopefully it's a lot smoother. But I gotta also do it with the camera on too. That's another thing. We gotta do it with the camera on. Alright, y'all. Here come these dang loans, I think. It did close below there. What time is it? Oh, it didn't close below there on the 15. Oh, okay. It closed below there on 5 minute though. I kinda wanna take a loan here. Kinda wanna take a loan here, y'all. Kinda wanna take a loan here to be honest. What should we do? Should we take the loan? I'm taking loan. Let's go. It's pushing too, so we taking this loan. We're gonna give it some space on this stop loss because it might be real rangy here. We're gonna give it some space. It might drop pretty decent. I probably got in a little too late though. Should have kind of got in down here, but we're gonna give it some space because I think it can be rangy. It might drop first before trying to go back up. It might drop. Hopefully it don't drop the kills out though. Hopefully. I'll be honest, I'm targeting this high. I'm looking for it to at least get back up to that 30,287. I probably want to get into contracts, but since I'm kind of counter trend trading, I'm not gonna get into because technically I'm counter trend trading a little bit, but look at the 15. The 15 giving us a nice rejection down there. I like it. If it can turn green, that'll be even better. If it turn red, I think we gonna come back down one more time. But if it could turn green, that'd be even better. And this one, I know, like I said, I'm gonna have to stop kind of wide. I'm gonna sit behind this 15-minute low over here. Stop is kind of wide, but we're gonna re-enter if we can get a. If it can dip down one more time, I think I'm gonna add a contract. I think I'm gonna add a contract. If we can dip down and start bouncing back up. I think this might be the dip down here. Alright, hopefully we can withstand it. Hopefully it don't kick us out when it come down. That's the biggest thing. We hoping it don't kick us out. I think add right here. So if it break this 5 minute counter high, we're gonna add one more kind. Come on, stay green, stay green. Don't go. It closed below there. I'm cutting it. We closed below 30,080. I'm cutting 180. Stay above it now. Stay above it. Let me turn the audio up. Cause I want to hear the audio. Testing, testing. Yeah, we sound good. Alright, we stayed above it. That's what I needed to see. Now I just need us to flip bullish. Like I said, it might come wick down first before trying to go higher. We can see that. Because it did technically close red here. So I won't be shocked if we wick down first. If it come back to this entry opening spot, I might add here. I think I might add here. Let's go add here instead of up top. Alright, we in 2. Now hopefully we don't get kicked out, y'all. We holding this. Oh, I didn't mean to put buy. I meant to put sell. Hopefully it don't come take that 15-minute low out. If it does, it just does though. But hopefully we get this bounce right here. Oh, we get this bounce and lead us back to them highs. Like I said, this will be the max contracts I get in because we is counter trend trading here. He is going against the trend, but we're not going no more than these 2 contracts. Like I said, I could see a sweep of here. I don't really want it to sweep this low, but it very well could sweep these low. See if we can end up pushing. I think I'm gonna bring one of the stops back up. If we don't push right here. Bring one of the stops a little further up. Really want to see a push here. We don't got any news today, so we ain't gotta worry about any news. Come on, give us a nice push right here. And then the one contract we got, the extra one we got in, once we take this previous kind of high, I'm gonna bring the stop loss up on that one, so at least one of them can be in profit. We can keep the other one at original stop. But we gotta come take this high first. That's the biggest thing. We gotta come take this high. We can't take that high. It don't matter about what we talking about. Like we trying to push up there. Can we get there? I really don't want to deal with no consolidation. Come on, just go up there. No consolidation, please. I don't want to see it trying to range in between it, bro. Come on. Oh, it's fine. It look like it's trying to consolidate. Come on, bro. Just go up to it. Just go up to it. No consolidation, please. We don't want consolidation. Come on, come on. You're almost there. How many seconds we got? 20 seconds. It could push up there. We need 20 seconds. I like to do it on this counter, and then next counter will give us a pullback. I ain't gonna get there. That sucks. Well, we gotta hopefully next counter week don't be too bad. Let's see how far down it's gonna go. Just go up to it. Go up to it. Alright, there we go. Nice. Can we hold above? Alright, I brought one stop up. Well, the other stop we're gonna keep kind of down. I want to give it some room. Alright, so we sold one contract. Sold one contract. I want to give this other one some room. I could put it at break even for the other one. I really don't want to though. Trying to give it some space. Trying to give some space to try to move. Cause y'all know, like I said, we really targeting up here. Trying to give some space. If we come take this high one more time, I'm gonna bring the stops up. If we make a new high. Alright, I'm bringing stops up. I'm not finna play around with it. So if it don't go here, it don't go here, it just don't go. Oh, this gotta be the push here for me. Alright, we slowly making it there. And yes, we do got it on Quisetrades, so we're doing this across all 4 accounts. But after this one trade, I'm gonna be just Quisetrades the evals, not the live account. Cause my live account just be trying to aim for $100, and that's it. Come on, no, don't kick us out. Come on, I need a bounce right here. Need a bounce right here. We get this second bounce, I'm gonna bring stop up to $100, just so I can know I'm at least get the extra 100. Cause I think the first contract we got like $30, so it'd be 130 in total if we get 100 on this one. But if we don't get 100 here, we'll be at like $100 flat. If we get stopped out here, we'll be right at $100. Come on, push, push, push. No. That's why I'm trailing super tight though, cause I want to still hit my goal so I can not have to trade my live account the rest of the day. So that's why we're trailing so tight. Cause now where our stop loss at, I'm gonna hit my goal regardless. I'm gonna hit my goal regardless. When it comes to the live account, even though technically I really don't want to put my stop here where it's sitting at. I really want my stop a little further down, but once I get over my goal amount, I'm gonna tell y'all now, I'm just trailing. I'm trailing to just get over the goal amount, bro. Like once we got a trade that goes over the goal amount, I'm trailing tight. maybe I'm not gonna put my stop where I'm supposed to because I'm not finna give that back once I hit the goal amount. Now, if I didn't hit the goal amount, then yeah, I'll keep my stop where it's supposed to be at. But since we hit goal amount, I can't do that, man. I can't do it. Come on, come take that high one more time, bro. Come take that high one more time. You take that high one more time, I'm definitely bringing my stops up. Look, SpaceX at 147. I tried to tell y'all last night, man. SpaceX finna jump. SpaceX up $7 already. Alright, we probably gotta bring it up. I don't know why it turned red here. Maybe it's trying to clear that gap, but oh well. I'm trying to get my. I think we done for the day. Let me see. What did we end up? Let me see how much we end up. As long as we got over that 100. See what our total is. Count summary. Give me 1 second. Wow. We need like $9 more. That's fine. We just take another trade. Wait on a better entry. It's fine. Alright, let's look for another entry. We still looking to go long, cause I'm still targeting a dang 30,287 level. I'm still targeting it. Just figure out where we want to go long is the question. I don't know if this really want to be a red candle, though. Like, it's red right now, but I think it want to push back up. I don't think it want to be red. I think it's like trying to trick us. You go to 15 minutes, see if it look a little cleaner. 15 minutes look a little more cleaner. Got a 15-minute gap sitting here. It's probably, I respect that. Blue. Yeah, it might start pushing up here. Let me go look at this SpaceX, man. That mug, oh my goodness. Crazy. And it's going straight to target. I told y'all SpaceX was gonna be pushing. I'm about to go ahead. Cause it still can keep going. I think it can get up to 153. I really wanted to give us a pullback, but it might not even give a pullback how many bullish candles it's giving. Dang, SpaceX went crazy. And look, it's at the top for me too for what I was gonna look at for today. It's just, you know, I ain't think it was gonna shoot that quick that fast. But it was, this was literally my top stop for this week. Yeah, I ain't gonna touch it. It's pushing though, it's nice. Told y'all, once it cracked that 136, that was like the key level for me, that 136. Then we retested it. Yeah, we definitely should be going back up to 150. Retested it and started going back bullish. Boom, this is it. So entry should have been 143. When it broke 143, that's your entry to go long. Oh well. Let's go to M&Q though. I'm trying to get that last trade in. So we did close red. Okay. Did close a red. Let's see. I just look for these longs. Maybe when it break the high, we can look to take this. Oh man. I wonder if it's trying to respect this 15-minute gap. That's the question. Hey, can y'all hear the music? Let me see something. Yeah, y'all can hear it. I just didn't have it on in my headphones. I was saying, dang, I don't hear the music. Alright. Don't look like an entry just yet. Because it showed disrespect against 15-minute gap. Disrespectful. Could enter if it closed green on a 1 minute right here. Let's try to see if it can come back up to the highs. Check the 15-minute. Still below the dang 15-minute gap. So I don't like that for longs. If we below the gap, hey, I'm not liking longs below that gap. So not liking longs till we back above it. I'm a little salty about my SpaceX trade, y'all. I didn't think it was gonna push that fast. Cause I was supposed to get in around 143. Said 140. It still got space. Cause I said it's gonna go up to 153. But I'm a little salty, man. The contract's like overinflated. The one, cause it's Monday, and two, since it pushed up so fast. Now the contract's like way ridiculous right now. Everybody jumping on that bandwagon. But I think I said I was looking at SpaceX. Was it Microsoft as well? Look at it daily. Yeah, it was if Microsoft would have held above. But look, we gapped below it. So I was like, hey, if we open up, as long as we above 491, I'm taking the longs. And we did not. We did not open up above it. Gap below. Gap below and went. And I literally said, if it get below that low though, I could see us going down that 485, and it literally went straight to the 485. Soon it opened up below, it just went straight to 485. That was an easy trade too. Cause once we got below it, it should be pretty easy knowing it was gonna drop to the next target level. But hey, we just ain't get to take them trades. They both was pretty easy trades, but we just missed some opportunities. That's all. Everything, all the other stocks, I wasn't even focused on. It was just Microsoft and SpaceX. All the other stocks, they wasn't ready for me yet. All right, so I'm not taking this. Let me take this off, because even if it take the high, it might be a fake out. Not trusting it, because I need us to be closed back above that 15-minute gap, not below it. It's look like it's kind of like we finna consolidate. To be honest, that's what this look like, consolidation. Dang, and we was only $9 more away from hitting our target. I think if I didn't cut that first contract short, we would have been perfectly fine. I probably shouldn't have brought stops up too soon. I think next time I won't bring stops up to like I'm at least getting 50 or more off that contract. So that means I need to put my stop at wherever it says $100 at. So like when we seen we was up 100 on that one contract, if we would have been in two, it would have said 200, and then I could have put my stop like at that halfway point. But I just cut that first contract too soon. That's all. I just cut it too soon because we really that trade we took should have hit our goal. If we had both contracts, we would have been up like almost $300. But playing a little too safe kind of cost us. It kind of cost us our goal for the day. We end up getting a little bit less just because we played a little too safe. Man, I'm steady dropping. Look like it's gonna come take this 5 minute or that's 15 minute. 15 minute low out. Look like it's gonna come take it. Unless we somehow start bouncing here. But even if we bounce here, I don't know what we bouncing off of. Because literally it's nothing right here. Unless it's all the way back to the left. I don't see nothing right here, so I'm thinking it should come take these lows. Should come take these lows out. I literally don't see nothing right there. Unless it's bouncing off of this here. This 15 minute low right here where it's at 30,180. That's the only other thing I can see it can bounce off of without taking that low. But I think it's gonna take the low. I think it's coming down here, yeah. I mean, it do got daily gap. Maybe a one tick daily gap. No, it came down there. I was trying to give it the benefit of the doubt, y'all. I was like, bruh, I mean, it literally wasn't nothing in the way. No type of gap, no nothing in the way from keeping it to take that low. And I wasn't finna just jump in the short. Even though I seen that, I'm not just finna just jump in the shorts like that. But I'm like, bruh, it's literally nothing in the way. It literally can just go straight down. So I end up going down there. What now? What now? Do we get an entry here? If it fell, because it is filling the close below here. Thinking possibly longs here. Let's see. Let's take one light long. If it just come back and kick us out, it just does. I kind of want to see if we end up pushing here. Especially if we can fail to close below this previous 5 minute low. That'd be nice. Let's see. If it closes below there, then we're probably gonna get kicked out. Or it might bounce back down here. Come on, close above the previous low. Come on. No, just hold it. Just hold it. Yes, sir. Feel close below. So hopefully we can come take this previous 5 minute high. Let's go. I ain't mean to bring stops up, y'all. That was a mistake. I'm trying to see if we broke it. We broke it. We broke it. That's it. That's all we needed right there. Let's see if we can get some extra though. That's really all we needed. We hit our goal. Let's see if we can get some extra. Hopefully, we don't get kicked out here. Ah, we got kicked out. I think it's gonna squeeze a little higher. Dang it, we got kicked out, bro. I think it's gonna squeeze a little higher potentially. It's a chance that it squeeze all the way back to these highs. Dang, they kicked me out, man. That's some trash. But we hit our goal, so I'm not copy trading the live account no more. We finna get on the evals. Let me get to the evals. Yeah, cause we're not. Yeah, I think we finna go up some more. But I'm on the evals. Let me switch this. Okay, so we just need two. So we got two eval. Okay, two evals. So we just need two contracts. Two. I still like these loans here. I'm gonna try to wait a second. But I think I'm about to get in the loan. Try to wait 1 second. Mm-mm. Okay. It's rejecting. It's rejecting. But I still like the loans potential. I think it's just the pullback part right here. I set a buy limit order at the top of this candle high. I think it's just the pullback part. I think this is just the pullback part. But man, we end up hitting the goal. I wanted to steal what's the name? Dang, SpaceX at 150. Oh my, bro, SpaceX. Let me move this from over here. Cause this is getting on my nerves. The more I keep looking to the right. SpaceX hit 150, bro. What the heck? That's so trash. Alright, we should get triggered in here. We should get triggered in here. It's super close to the target. I think we finna get triggered in. Alright, there we go. We in. We in. We on the eval accounts though. It's not on the live accounts. So we're in though. We're in. See if we can keep pushing, bro. Keep pushing. Biggest thing is I'm a little nervous this 15-minute gap right here. We very well can just reject and come all the way back down. I hope we don't though. Hope we just push past the 15-minute gap. We didn't touch the top yet. Biggest thing, once we touch the top of this gap, it's gonna be real deal or no deal. Do we drop or what? That's the question. Once we touch the top of that gap, bruh, we can probably get rejected super hard. I hope we don't. I hope we just keep going through it. Come on, bruh. Can you stay above the gap when you get up there? I'm a little nervous because now I probably should have just waited till we got above the gap before I got in. Cause I'm trying to get in when it's trying to break the gap, when it's trying to break the door down. So I'm a little nervous. I'm a little nervous, y'all. It might drop hard on us, bro. I gotta see when it touches the top of this gap what it's finna do. It might drop hard on us, bro. Come on. Can you squeeze? Let me go to the 1 minute, bro. Let me go to the 1 minute watch. Oh, it's above it. Here we go. Is you gonna stay above? Come on, bro. No. I don't see no red candles at all. I don't see no red candles at all. Let's go straight greens till we at least take a high out. Go take one of these highs out. No red candles till we take a high out. Come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. We only in one contract and we being scared, but I don't even care. Bruh. Come on, bruh. Just give us all greens, no red. No. Wait, hold up. The 15 minutes just ended. Did we close above? Oh, we did. Oh, snap. We closed above, y'all. Okay, it did close red, so it could wick down, but we did close it. But I'm gonna bring my stop down a little further, cause I don't know how far now it's gonna want to wick down. But once it flip bullish, once we start flipping bullish, we should just be moving straight up. So we just literally just gotta wait on either the 5 minute or something to start flipping bullish. 5 minute or 1 minute, make an uptrend. We should be good to go. We should come take these target highs out, or at least try to. The 1 minute technically already bullish though, but I'm talking about after the 15-minute candle just ended, it need to be bullish. So, cause it could take this out right now. So the first uptrend we see, we should be good. We should start bringing our stops up. First uptrend I see, as long as we don't come take this low out down here. First uptrend I see it from this point forward, I should be able to move my stops up. So right now we ain't got no uptrend yet. From like I said, I'm talking about after the 15-minute count closed. Technically we got an uptrend right here, but I'm talking about after that previous 15-minute had closed. Come on, bro. How far down this week want to go? That's the question. Let me go to the 5 minute. How far down does this wick want to go? That is the question. Yeah, I think I'm gonna add one more. I think I'm gonna add one more, y'all. We is on the evals. We gotta get it moving, and it's one of the evals 100K account. So we gotta stop, rolling the ball. We gotta start rolling the ball, man. Then we're gonna add an extra one once we start turning bullish. Mm-mm. Only thing I don't like is we don't got no gaps, 5 minute gaps nowhere. So it's like I don't know where we gonna bounce it because we literally don't got no gaps anywhere. Maybe we bounce off the daily gap. That's it, but don't got no other gaps anywhere whatsoever. That's the only scary thing. It's the only scary thing. No gaps nowhere else but the daily gap. Maybe I add right here at this daily gap. I think that what we do, bro. I think we added the daily. Oh, what is talking about OBS disconnected? Come on now. Okay, it reconnected. Like I said, we targeting this 287 all the way up here. That's what we want. We want that 287. Go back to the 15. We might just lose this dang trade. But we don't know. We gonna see. We very well can just lose this trade instantly. So when they tap us into the other contract. All right, we in the other contract. Let's see if we get this rejection here, y'all. It could not. It could just go straight to kicking us out. Let's see if we can get this rejection here. Ah, it look like we getting kicked out. It look like we getting kicked out. Oh, hold up. Don't tell me it was like a tick away. Hold up. It kind of look like we supposed to get kicked out here though, but hey, don't tell me we just a tick away and in reverse. Let's see. Let's see. Don't quit till it's done. Don't quit till it's done. Uh-oh. Getting a little reversal. A little bounce back. Uh-oh. Let's see. Especially if we can flip back above it high. If we can flip back above that 5-minute high right here. It's a chance. It's a chance, y'all. It's a chance we might bounce. Let's see. I'm thinking about adding another contract. Let's add one more. We in three, y'all. We in three. Let's see if we gonna bounce here. If it don't, it just don't. You know, this is how it is. If it don't, it just don't. I think I'm gonna cut if I see the first 1-minute red candle. Think I cut on the first 1-minute red candle if we don't get back to break even. If we don't get back to break even, cut at the first 1-minute red. At least tap break even, bro. At least tap break even. It should at least tap break even. Come on. At least tap break even. Come on, get the break even. Oh snap. Come on, bro. Oh snap. What's going on? Is we gonna get there? Can we get there? No, it's like the first red candle coming. Ah, I think we getting kicked out. Let's bring stops up. That is not what we wanted to see. Bring all the stops up. Yeah, we out of everything. I don't know why the computer lagging. We're already out. I don't know why it's there you go. Trading view was just lagging. We got out. Like we said, we seen the first red, we was gonna go and cut. But we did minimize our losses though. We end up only losing like $90, 90 some dollars. Versus, with 3 contracts, you really supposed to lose way more than that. So we did do that. We did do good with that. Minimize our losses a little bit. Alright. Let's see if it still can bounce here, y'all. It could just sweep us out. I was thinking that. I was like, maybe it just sweep us out and then go. It very well still can go. Cause we still respecting this dang gap here. I think I'm gonna wait to the next 15 minute though before I try to get in. Either next 15 minute or if we can somehow start pushing. But now we got a 5-minute gap to try to push above. Took us a while, but now we got a 5-minute gap. We had one up here, but that was that 15-minute one. All right. So basically, on the eval counts for today, where we at? We're basically break even on the eval accounts because we took them other 2 trades earlier this morning, and start a stream. We took them on all accounts. And then we just took this trade on the eval accounts, which pretty much we a little bit in the green, but basically I'm just gonna say we break even today. Cause I think we technically up like $40 or something like that. But I mean, I'm just gonna say it's break even. We break even right now on the eval. And the eval accounts is one of them is a 50K, the other is a 100K account. Like I said, the 100K account, we gotta kind of start picking up the pace because trading 1 and 2 contracts not really. We literally got to make $6,000. So we got to pick the pace up a little bit. We got to start trading 2 or 3. With my live account, those just 25K account. So it's okay for me to aim for 125, $150 a day, because they're a lot smaller. Okay, do we push up here? I think we do. I want to see a close pass though, honestly. I think we pushing up here, but I want to see a close pass. Let's see. All right, we pushed up. I'm gonna get in one right now, but then if we can't, if we can close past, I add. We don't close past, then I'm not adding. It just be in one contract. So literally, if we don't close past, oh my bad, y'all don't know what I'm talking about. On the 1 minute, we can't close past this high right here. Then I'm not gonna add. Once we finally close past it, then I add. And I might need to start. I know I'm reverting back to jumping in on that 1 minute. I need to get back to my entering in 5 minutes. So I'm glad I am on one contract right now. At least if we be wrong with the trade, we don't lose too much. But we might have to, I know Mike. We gotta get back on getting in on our 5 minute because 2 losses. I mean, the one loss we already had just now was due to the 1 minute. This, if we lose this one, this be the second loss, and it's due to us what getting in on the 1 minute. And our one winner we had. Technically, we kind of got in on the women, but we was looking at a higher time frame uptrend on the one winner we had. Or the first winner. Really need a 5 minute green counter right here. That's what we need to see. Either this one or the next one. Need to be green 5 minute counter. Preferably close inside this gap. Close inside that gap, that's even better. And it look like we are. We got a lot of time. We got 30 seconds, but it look like we're gonna close inside that gap. I like a long here. See, we close past the gap. I'm put an alert. Whenever we close the book, exit to me. I want to know if we close past it or not. It look like we do. Yep, we do. I'm adding one. Adding one. Probably gonna add another one. Let's add one more. So we in 3 contracts. We in 3 contracts. First, I want to see us come to this 5 minute gap. That's the first thing I want to see. Then, of course, take these highs out. And then hopefully we can get all the way back up to this 287. 30,287. Alright, we doing some type of pullback right now. See how far down this pullback gonna go. See what that 15-minute count of it was red. Okay, it was red. I'm thinking about to add another one here. I don't know. I ain't gonna add it right here. I want to add another one right here, but I'm gonna wait a little bit. Did want to add another one there, but I think waiting is better. I think waiting is better than adding right there. Even if it starts squeezing here, it's fine. We'll be okay. Alright, I'm about to get ready. Once we close past this high here, did we close past it? No, we didn't. Once we close past that high, I'm bringing stops up. Once we close past that high. All I'm doing is waiting on us to close past that high. And I'll bring stops up. Or when we take that previous 1 minute high, I'll bring stops up. So if we take this red channel high, I'm gonna bring stops up. Whichever one happen first. Break of the high or close of this high. I really want this 5 minute to close green and close past this high. I really want to see that. Not closing green, we probably could pull back pretty hard, and I don't want that. So I really wanted to close above this white line if we can. I really want us to close past this white line. Alright, look like I can bring stop up once we take this high. At least bring one of the stops up. I'm not gonna bring all of them up. Reason being is because I don't want to be getting out too soon on my contracts. Alright, we're gonna let that next 1 minute candle come, and the bottom wick of it is gonna be what we use. As long as it don't push too far down. Well, never mind. It want to push too far down. We're gonna put it soon as it break the high. Yeah, it just pushed too far down. We're gonna have to just wait before we can bring our stops up. Alright, can we bring stops up now? Let's go check. It's out here playing these games. No, we can't bring it up yet. I think add a contract. We added one more. We added one more. We added one more. And I'm gonna sell one. We're just gonna bring stocks up. We ain't gonna sell it. We just gonna bring stocks up. Not sell it. Come on. How far down is drop gonna be? I really don't want to see it clear this gap. You need to start pushing up. You need to start pushing up. We don't want to see you clear the gap, honestly. Start pushing up, bro. Start pushing up, bro. Yeah, I was about to say, we did not want this 5-minute gap to get cleared. I don't know why I was trying to play like that. Come on, push up, push up, push up. Push up, push up. I'm not trying to see that 5-minute gap get cleared. When did it make a top wick? I didn't even see it make a top wick. I don't know when it even did it. Now I don't like this. It made a top wick. I don't like that. Unless we just push all green here. I think first 1 minute red, I might have to just cut. I think I might just have to cut. I don't like it since it made a top wick. It's some trash. Think brain stops up. Yeah, because I don't like it. I don't like it now. Unless we get all green counts, I don't like it. We gotta literally get all green 1 minute counts till we take that high. Cause I don't like it, man. I don't like it. I don't like it. Give me all green counters, please. We take this previous 1 minute high. I'm about to bring stop up. Come on, take the high. Take the high. Awesome. They bogus for that one. Come on, push up, push up, push up. I'm gonna cut one of these contracts. I don't like it. I don't like it, y'all. Hold up, what happened to my contracts? How I'm only in one? Bruh, how's I'm only in one? I know I didn't sell all them other contracts. Right, hold on. Let me look at the string, y'all. How we only in one contract now? I thought we was in like 4 contracts and I just sold, bruh. Ain't no way. I was just trying to sell one contract. How the heck? Let me go look at my string. I wasn't trying to sell all my contracts, bruh. I was just trying to sell one. Let me go see. Let me go see string, bruh. I gotta go back. Did I have 3? Was that 3? Did I have it set at 3? I literally was just trying to sell one contract. Let me go back. Yeah, we had 3 contracts. Let me see. Something ain't right. Bruh, how we sell all them contracts? Yes, we was in 3 the whole time. So where in the heck? When did we drop? So we got into 4. We got into 4. Let me make sure that thing didn't say 3 when we brought it up. So we in 4. Let me see. When I brought my stop up, what did I have it on? Yeah, it was only 1. Bruh, if y'all go back to the stream, bruh, I put my stop loss. I brought stop loss up. We was in 4 contracts. I'm gonna have to contact who I got this with. Apex. I'm gonna contact them. Cause look, we have 4 contracts here. We brought stop loss up, and it was only one. It said one sell stop. It come down and hit the one sell stop, and it sold 3 of them and left us with 1 contract. Like, bro, y'all literally played me, bro. But maybe it worked in our favor. Maybe it's finna come down. Maybe it helped us out. Let's see. If it don't push up here and we end up losing this trade, then it helped us out. I'm not gonna contact Apex again. But dang, bruh. I was trying to still be in. It might come down though, cause look, that 5-minute close inside the gap. I'm a little nervous now, y'all. 5-minute close inside this dang gap. If we don't come push this, break these highs, it's gonna be scary. We're gonna break them highs. We gotta literally break these highs. It's gonna get scary if we don't break the highs. I'm telling you. Come on, bro. Just go straight up there, bro. Don't even play. Dang, bro. I'm a little sorry though, cause like, why the heck it sold 3 of my contract? Like, bro, we really had 1 position thing. That's crazy. All right, bro. Red counter here. I think we coming all the way back down to this gap. So we literally need all green counters right here. There we go. All greens. Take us up there, dog. That what we needed. That what we needed, big dog. That what we needed. So I'm thinking we should come to this next gap here. I think we should go up to the next gap, bro. I'm ready to bring stops up though. I really don't want to see no red counter, to be honest. No. Should we just get out, y'all? I really didn't even want to see a red counter. Alright, I'm setting it. I'm about to say I didn't even want to see a red counter, bro. Dang, we was in 4 contract, but we'd be up like, we'd be up, y'all. Add times 4, 30 times 4. We be at 120. Oh, we wouldn't been up crazy. But still, we still been up though. We wouldn't been up crazy, but we been up 120. Dang. They played me though, man. They played me. Like how that must sell for? I mean, how I sell 3 of my contracts when I only had 1 for the style off. That's crazy. They tricked me. They tricked me. They tricked me. So I'm about to add 1 more right here. Add another contract. I'm gonna set limit order. Do we set a limit order? Yeah, I'm gonna set a limit order. Nah, I ain't gonna set a limit. I want a trail. I want a trail. I don't never like setting limit orders for some reason. I like trailing. I rather trail than set a limit order. Once we touch that gap, I'm a trail. Once we touch that gap again, if we go up there, let's see. Oh snap! It's about to kick me out. Don't kick me out. Push up, push up, push up. There we go. Another tap. We sold 1 of them. Took a little profit. I think we still could squeeze though. I think we still can squeeze. They just need to go. I don't know why it's hesitating. Dang, they sure played me with my contract. I'm solid in the mud. We've been up 120 right now on that trade. Right, let's see if we get kicked out here, y'all. Can it close green? That's the question. I think we get kicked out. I think we get kicked out. Come on, bro. They got literally push straight up. Literally, you gotta push straight up, bro. No, we getting kicked out. We out, we out, we out. It's cool. It's cool, it's cool, cool. How much we up? Let's see, how much we up on these accounts? Man, we only up 32. Saying that one loss had basically brought us to break even. Then we just made like $30 right there. Man, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry in the mud about that. Um, that what's called? Oh, we in an ultra on 5 minutes. I'm tripping. We didn't close past, but I'm at least staying one. We didn't close past the high right here, but I'm at least getting one contract and see if we can hold this 5 minute uptrend. Let's see if we can hold this 5 minute uptrend. So we at least be in one. Really, I want to say at least get in two. Yeah, let's put in two. We can't be scared. We can't be scared, nah. Can't be scared, bro. We in two contracts. Let's just mark out these highs here. See if we can take some of these highs out. Set some alerts. Looking for these longs. Looking for these longs. See if this uptrend want to hold steady. I'm sorry in the mud though about that. Bro, we probably been in full contract longs right now, bro. But we would have got stopped out though, cause I would have trailed. So can't be too mad. We would have got stopped out right now. We'll look at QQQ. QQQ 33, 34 is what we looking for. We're looking for 34. Dang, this trade taking a long time, but it is what it is. It's trying to break through this 15-minute gap, so it gonna take some time. You know, it's gonna take some time when it's trying to break the gap. It's trying to break back above. Show me some love. Literally, I think we get a 15-minute close above this gap. We should be pushing up pretty hard. Exit rectangle. Whenever we finally get a close, 15-minute close above it, we should be pushing up hard. Just gotta wait and see whenever we get it. That's the thing. Uh, oh man, stretching. Man, I wish I seen it was a 5 minute uptrend sooner, because I probably would have held my other 4 contract. I wouldn't even brought my stop losses up, I don't think. But it is what it is, man. It is what it is. All I can do is work with what we doing now. That's it. And what I'm trying to do now is get this dang 100K account up. I think, yeah, we just bought the 100K account, so we got plenty of time, but we definitely got to start trading like 3-4 contracts. Cause we got to start averaging like, I'm gonna say I want to average like $400 a day. $400 a day, we should pass it by the end of the month. Well, not the end of this month, but by a month time span. So if we go 4 contracts, we just need $100 trade. So we need what, 50 points? We definitely have multiple 50-point opportunities though. Cause what's this? How many points is this right here? 207 to where we at now. It's 230. So that's like 20 some points. But if it go up to this high, it would have been perfect. And that been a one and done trade, you know. Dang, it rejected hard after taking that high out. Jeez. Hard rejection. Hard rejection. Hard rejection. Hard rejection. It took a hard rejection. I don't even know what's the lesson. But what it do? Hold up, man. Ooh, me. It's your boy Keys. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, we. See if this 5-minute uptrend gonna hold y'all. I think add a contract, we hit this gap. I think add a contract, we hit that gap. Go down a little bit. We come down there, we adding a contract. As if we come down there. I don't know if we do. Hey, I don't know if y'all seen Apex got intraday 100K accounts for $59 all in, no activation, and $49 50K accounts. I'm thinking about buying at least one more of those, or one of those, cause you can't beat 50K account for $49, and then 100K account for $59. Now, only thing I say, it is intraday. That's the only thing that's a little trash. It is intraday, so basically, when our trades start peaking, we gotta get out. We can't really try to let it come back to break even or nothing. That's the only thing that's trash. But other than that, should be pretty smooth. So like right here, example of intraday. Say if you have $50 stop loss or max loss, right? Remember when it peaked up here, it was at $53? If we would have let it come back to break even, and even if we still in the trade, it'd count as negative $50 right there. And we would have blew the account. So you gotta kind of like get out at the peak, you know. So like how I said, this is my first target. More than likely, just get out at first target, or at least cut some of your contracts at first target, you know. That's the only thing about intraday accounts. You got to get out when your trade peaking, or where you think it might try to reverse it. You got to start getting ready to get out. Got trail super tight, which I don't mind, cause I'm used to trailing super tight. It's just sometimes I try to let it play out, but if I'm in a big trade, like I'm going up hundreds, like I'm up like 200-300. Once I hit like 200, I'll be starting to trail super tight anyway. So I think I'll be okay with it. Man. Like when the only time I don't trail real tight is usually when I'm only up like how I am right now, $40 or $60. I ain't really trailing. Once we crack that 100, oh yeah, we start trailing. Cause we at least gotta get 100. We gotta get close to that 100. If we was up 100, we gotta at least take some. I said we at least gotta take $50-$60 of that 100. Once we see 100. Only way I don't trail super tight once I go over hundreds and stuff is like, like I said, if I'm expecting like a move to push all the way up or something, then I might not trail because I gotta give it some room to breathe. Don't look like we're gonna get this entry off this 5-minute gap, so I might well remove that. I think once we take this next high, that's when I trail tight. Once we gonna take that next high up there. Or no, I might trail the next 5-minute candle. Next 5-minute candle. This next 5-minute candle is when I'm gonna trail. It would have been nice to have this trade on my live account, but like I said, we gotta stay disciplined, man. Our live account, we hit our goals, so we gotta get off. You know, gotta get off once you hit that goal, bro. You gotta get off once you hit that goal. Now, if my trade would have just kept running and went straight up to my 30,287, then we would have got more. But unfortunately, it didn't want to go straight up there when we wanted to. So. Like I said, next 5-minute count, I think I'm trailing. I think I'm gonna trail next 5-minute count. Probably put stops at like this $70 mark right here. Then that means at least one contract that sell, we get about $35. And then the other one we'll let try to run. That's what I think. I kind of really want to wait till target before I bring stops though. Kind of want to at least wait till this next high get taken. Kind of want to wait until that. And I might, I don't know, something tell me to kind of wait on that first before I bring stops up. Something tell me to. But I just hate giving my money back to the market. Especially when I already be up. Try to see if we can just go straight up to it. Can we go straight to it? Can we just go do it? Just push up, make $1 million bucks. Yeah, what's up? Do what it do. I'm on the stream on YouTube, trying to help you make the money, make the moolah, getting that green. Dang, you ain't want to go straight up to it, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Alright, then bring one of the stops up. We're gonna take like $40 here. If it stops us out, we'll take about $40. Take about $40 on one of the contracts. The other contract, we still trailing. Oh, I'm supposed to brought it up anyways. That's a new high low right there. My bad. Let me bring it up. Other contract we supposed to bring up anyway. I ain't even realize a new high low right there. But doing all that talking, not even paying attention like I'm supposed to. Nice push. Let's see if we can go and take that out. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Go and take that out for me. If you want to show some love, you're gonna take that out. You want to show some love, you're gonna take that out. See, you want to show some love to your boy. Love to your boy. It's literally right there, bro. Come on, bro. Y'all can't take that out. Come on, bro. Y'all right there, bro. Ain't no way. I ain't gonna take that out. It's literally right there. Literally. Lil. Oh, that's why I could say stop right here on my other contract at the 15-minute gap. Yeah, let's do that. I mean, I technically supposed to set it here, but I don't want no retest of that 15-minute gap, honestly. Alright, we took that high. So now both our contracts in profit. So come on, just keep going. After taking that high though, I think I'm bringing both these contracts all the way up. I'll bring this one here and have the other one at the bottom of this candle. See if we can run, go take the other high out. Maybe go to our ultimate target. Come on, take the other high out. There we go. Take the other high out. They showing a little love. They showing a little love to your boy. They showing a little love to your boy. Dang, is it gonna go to ultimate target? Dang, wait that mother moving. Might go straight to ultimate target. Dang, that mother moving crazy. Man, why y'all couldn't do this earlier when we was pushing up right here? I could have ate on my live account. Dang, bruh. Could have ate on the live account. Y'all just did at the beginning. They wanted to make us wait for this dang trade. Ring stops up pretty tight. And I told y'all we trail tight once we hit over 200 or 100 and stuff. See if we can go and push up, bro. We sweep this high. I think we sweep that high and close past on the 1 minute. I think we going there. If we get a red counter here though, it gonna pull back pretty decent. It's gonna pull back pretty decent. We're gonna get kicked out. Come on, close green at least. At least close green for us. Come on, bro. I really don't even want to see a red right here. 3, 2, 1, green. Let's go. Now, I just need you to come take this high and close past it on the 1 minute. Just close past. Uh-oh, it's almost there. It should get there. I'm bringing stops up super tight. It's too close to target. We bring stops real tight. It's too close to target. Too close to target, bruh. And I think sell 1 once we hit target, I think sell 1 at target. Or at least put my stop super close. It's too close to target. We gotta do that. Got to do that. It's too close. Too close to target. It's really it though, y'all. Once we win this trade or get kicked out, whatever, we're done for the day. Done for the day. Cause we'll be up $300 almost. Be up almost $300. Cause what we said, we up 32 plus this, that'll be 300 if we get out right where we at. Alright, so it hit. Did it hit it? I can't tell if it tapped that dang line. That's why I be putting alerts. Yeah, it ain't hit it. I can't tell. It'd be hard to tell. That's why I like putting alerts so I can hear the little ding 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 if it hit the stuff. It did not hit target, bruh. They gonna kick me out before hitting target. That's crazy. Alright, we out of one. We gonna get kicked out the other one too before hitting target. Wow, they gonna kick us out the other one before we hit target. Don't do that. Come on, just go straight green right here. Don't kick us out. Come on. Come on. I think we getting kicked out. Trash. I was trying to take it to target, but hey, y'all know it be playing games. Y'all know how the market do. Alright. That's it. Alright, y'all. Y'all have a good one, man. That was fun. We was on here for a long time, though. It took all the way to 10. But y'all have a good one. Your boy